everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us for another house tour as we see if this property in Angeles City meets all the requirements for your ideal home. Before we begin checking all the boxes on your list, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Talking about requirements or your list if this property checks all the boxes. Kaya uumpisahan natin sa location. This property is located in close proximity to Clark International Airport. So when I say in close proximity, that's a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. It is located in an exclusive subdivision. At yung exclusive subdivision na to ay just along the highway. So, mas madali nyo siyang makita, mas mabilis, mas accessible din ang property. And also, this has a 24-hour security service. So, check tayo sa location, check din tayo sa security, and check din tayo sa flood-free. Because this location or this subdivision is flood-free. Now, let's go sa ating lot area. Ang ating lot area is 200 square meters. At ang floor area natin ay 300 square meters. So, expect a massive property pagpasok natin. But for now, pakita ko muna ang iyong facade. Okay, yung design natin. Very modern ang design natin. At, I love yung frontage niya dito. Kung makikita nyo, after your gate, yung frontage niya, I think this is 1.5 meters pa before your actual gate. And your gate is automated. So, check din tayo doon. Pasok na tayo sa ating entrance gate, but very straightforward naman kasi yung ating property. You have your fence, ayan, meron ka ng mga plants dito, then your gate, kasi yung gate natin very spacious siya, yung parking natin very spacious siya. Makikita nyo from there pa lang kung gaano nakalawak or kalaki yung ating parking area or ating garage. Pagpasok natin, check again, elevated po. This is your pocket garden, meron ka mga steps dito. Ay landscape, pocket garden, at meron ka rin yan. May simple landscaping ka na, but you can still add more plants if you want. Pero ang ganda na ng pagkakasetup niya, very minimalist lang. At yung design mo dito, meron kang yung fence mo dito, or you have a metal fence here para may konting view siya doon sa landscape garden natin. Pupuntahan ko kayo dyan. Kayo ay nasa parking area. Your parking area, spacious parking area, high din ang ceiling natin, fully covered. And I did mention yung ating automated gate. So makikita mo dyan. Wala lang sa amin yung remote, but automated dyan. Ang ganda din ng design ng ceiling natin. May accent tayo sa ceiling. This door is your access going to your service area, laundry area, and your pool area. Yes, check, may pool area din tayo. And when I say pool area, hindi lang ito dipping pool, plunge pool, but it's a good size of swimming pool. Tayo dito, I just want to show you yung window natin. This is, from the inside you have, this is your dining area, and you have a view of your parking area. Pasok na tayo. Before tayo pumasok, this is your solid door. Ang taas din niya. Yung kanyang height, very nice. At ano pa bang accent natin dito? Ang ating wall. Meron tayong mga artificial stone workings dito. At ang ating property ay fully furnished. So, I'm very excited kasi lilipatan nyo na lang siya. And aside from that, so check tayo sa automated gate. Check tayo sa spacious garage. And check din tayo sa fully furnished. Your living area, ayan. Sinabi ko na naman yung ayan, mababash na naman ako. Custom-made furniture po tayo. So, ayan, included po yan, and you have a ang massive ng iyong TV console. Kasha 75 inches TV dyan. And meron ka pa mga cabinets, shelves, and of course, your accent wall, fluted panel with dark colored fluted panels. Lakad tayo dito. Mention ko lang yung sa receiving area mo. Pag open mo ng door, spacious pa rin siya when you walk. At ganito siya kaluwang sa sa gitna, oh. Diba? Pwede ka pang mag-add ng center table if you want. And then if you want na magdagdag ka pa ng sofa dito, another for two, pwede siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Two-seater sofa, pwede siya. Okay. While Sir Aaron is moving backwards, ito po ang ating dining area. Very spacious. But before that, I just want to show you kung ano ang yung air conditioner or your AC unit. Sa taas, you have a cassette AC. Convenient dahil covered na niya ang buong ground floor mo nang walang alam mo na yung mga, very clean tignan pag meron kang cassette AC. Sobrang lakas at evenly distributed yung airflow natin. Ang luwang ng dining area, from where I'm standing at, meron ka pang space dito talaga. Diba? Ang laki ng ating solid wood na dining set. 8-seater dining set. You have a very nice drop light. At ito yung kanina, ito yung view of your parking area. Alright. Kung saan tayo nag-intro kanina, doon, but I'll show you na muna yung nandito. Bilang lumakad na ako dito. You have your powder room under your stairwell. So, na-maximize po yung stairwell natin. Pagpasok ko dito, there you have your vanity mirror, vessel type sink, at large size yung vessel type sink natin. You have your cabinet, and you have your toilet din dito. Paglabas natin, stairwell. Kung saan ako nag-intro kanina, this is your kitchen island. Dito ako nag-intro kanina, this is your kitchen island with a built-in cooktop na meron siyang kasamang integrated ventilation. So meaning meron siyang feature that ano tawag dito? Built-in system for extracting yung mga cooking fumes natin. So kung mapapansin niyo wala tayong range hood. So ayan, ito ang inyong built-in induction cooktop. Yan yung mga controls natin. And then that side you can add parang nakikita ko parang omakase type, no? Tapos luto ka, tapos may mga chairs dyan. Diba? That can also be your breakfast, no? Pwede ka maglagay ng mga stools dyan. And very spacious siya, as you can see. Hindi ka mahihirapan gumalaw-galaw. So that is included. And your white quartz countertop, it looks nice because there's a contrast para makita mo kung paano yung hindi lang yung separation niya, but also yung design. Mas na-emphasize yung design nitong ating this side, which is your breakfast nook and your preparation area. Here. The ref is included, side by side, 2-door. Refrigerator that is included. Tapos mga cabinets dyan. And you also have cabinets here. And your double bowl stainless steel sink. May socket ka. Drainer. And you also have more cabinets. And you also have microwave and your oven. Ang perfect na niya, no? Brand new po yan. Hala, hindi ko buksan. Tcharan! Okay, so that's brand new. May pantry ka rin dito. Ang laki, oh. Yan. So that is your pantry. And kung meron kang formal kitchen, of course, meron ka rin service kitchen. Ito yung kaninang access from your parking area. Labas tayo dito so that I can show you. And this is your service area, service kitchen, auxiliary kitchen. You have a single bowl stainless steel sink, white quartz countertop, same ng quartz countertop natin sa loob. You have your cabinets, and papakita lang natin siguro sa mga montage natin na from where I'm standing at, going to the access door, ang luwang pa niya. Ang luwang pa niya. So if you want to add more, kasi dito yung ating laundry area. May socket tayo dyan. This is your laundry area. But if you want to, or if you need to add more, no? doon, anything that you want to extend your cooking area, pwede kasi may socket doon at sobrang luwang doon sa side na yun, sa likod ninyo. So, papakita lang natin yan sa ating mga montage. Laundry area and nandito ang ating pool area. Alam mo, takot ako dito sa pool area kasi ang laki eh. This is your pool area. Wala lang siyang water kasi, well, may mga linilinis pa dito sa ating property kasi kakatapos lang. I think may mga konti pang mga kailangang ayusin. But it's already ready for tripping at kung gusto mo na itong bilhin, pwedeng-pwede na rin. Your poolside, spacious. You can add tables. You can add chairs. And I'll show you kung gaano siya hala. Ayan. Ganyan po siya kalaki. So, you really enjoy your time sa pool natin kasi parang 5 feet nga ito eh. Tapos may side doon para pang kids. You don't have to worry. You also have your shower area dito. Shower area. And your maid's room. Nandito rin yung maid's room. And this can also be your storage. Pwede rin siyang storage. But if you want, if for maid's room, single bed, and then may portion ka pa for your drawer, pwede pa po siya. Or single bed na double deck. Pwede rin siya. Hindi ko pinapahalatang natatakot ako sa pool. Kasi pag walang water yung pool, kita mo yung depth niya, no? Talagang, tsaka ang ganda. Kahit wala pa siyang water, malinis yung pool natin. Okay, baba tayo. Stay there. I'll show you yung sinasabi ko kanina. See kung gaano pa siya kalayo. Diba? Sobrang laki pa ng space niya. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng cabinets dito for your, para sa sasakyan mo. Diba? Pwede ka pa magdagdag ng cabinets dito. And ayan. That is your parking area. Diba saktong-sakto? Pagpasok mo, pag-park mo, diretso ka na dito. If may mga gamit ka sa sasakyan, pwede mo ditong ilagay, or cabinet, pwede ka mag-add. Tapos kung may groceries ka, diretso ka na dito, and lagay mo na sa pantry. So, check tayo sa spacious na dining. Kung nasan kayo, check ang spacious at very pretty at functional na kitchen, and it's a must, and it's a plus yung ating breakfast, no? Very nice ang ating drop light. And another plus or another check ay ang bedroom sa ating ground floor. So this is your first bedroom. Nice. At hindi lang siya basta-basta bedroom because very spacious and even your headboard, oh, di ba? Aesthetic pa. I think this is a queen size bed. And ang yung mga side lamps, hanging sila para mas marami ka pang mailagay dito. You have your hanging. These are hanging drawers na meron pang socket. Uy, ang functional naman ito. Your headboard with a velvet type design upholstery and your fluted panels. This side, this is your TV area. At kung mapapansin nyo yung space from your bed to your TV area, makakagalaw ka pa talaga. You can mount your TV there or pwede mo rin siyang itayo dito. Very spacious. At all the bedrooms po dito sa property natin, all are with ensuite toilet and bath. So meaning lahat po ng bedrooms natin, meron po silang kanya-kanyang bathrooms. Built-in cabinet. O, di ba? Pagpasok mo ng door, hindi mo ito napansin, but meron kang built-in cabinet. Laki. May shelves and ensuite toilet and bath. Cool. Okay. May vanity mirror, vessel type sink, and your shower area. This is an enclosed shower area. And nakikita nyo naman, may heater na rin tayo. Spacious ang ating shower area with stainless steel shower set. Next. Akyat na tayo para makita pa natin yung ibang bedroom. At ang luwang pa dito, hindi ko yata ito napakita, pero kung yung distance ng kitchen mo, kung maglalagay ka pa ng stool dito, makakagalaw ka pa talaga. Going to your dining area. Diba? Sobrang spacious. Ang ganda ng space. Tapos yung bedroom sa baba, check din. Ano pa ba? Spacious na bedroom, check. At, pinakita ko na yung powder room natin dyan. This is your stairwell, wood handrail with glass and metal railing. Akyat na tayo para makita pa ang ibang mga rooms natin. Let's go. This is your landing at ang ganda niya kasi L-type siya. So there's like an extension. No? Your landing, you have a very pretty chandelier bago ka makaakyat. And pagdating mo dito, you have a view of your dining area and your kitchen. Pag akyat natin, to my right, you have 2 bedrooms, and this is your first bedroom. Sobrang spacious na mga bedrooms natin. This has the same design dun sa kanina. When I say design, meron kang, yan, you have your bed, tapos behind your door, pagpasok mo, nandyan din yung iyong built-in cabinet. But, sobrang spacious nito. Actually, kung ito, wala ito, pwede ka pang maglagay ng accent chair. Or another sofa. Pwede ka maglagay ng sofa dito. This is your hanging drawers. Symmetrical naman siya, yung size niya. Pareho. And your wide window. Sobrang laki ng window natin. So you can see your bed, queen size bed, tapos meron ka na ring bed frame, built-in, parang built-in to eh. Kasi meron ka na dito eh. So it's custom made talaga for the design. Hanging side lamps for para sa space natin. Wala tayong masyadong nakapatong sa ating hanging drawers. So that is so nice. Your TV console, may fluted panels, and then you have hanging drawer din dito or hanging shelves. You can mount your mount your TV here or pwede mo rin ipatong. Kasya yung dito. 75 inches pwede kasi pag minount mo yung TV dito, kaya niya yung space hanggang dito. Sobrang luwang, di ba? Okay, palit tayo ng lugar. Actually, maluwang eh, kahit hindi tayo magpalit. Pag sara natin ng door, ito yung built-in cabinet natin. Just like the one sa ground floor, kamukhang kamukha. And of course, bago tayo pumasok doon, tignan mo naman kung gaano ka spacious yan, di ba? Pwede ka pa nga maglagay dito ng table eh. And then chair if you want a study area. Pwede. Same design, your ensuite toilet and bath, your vessel type sink, your vanity mirror na, ayan, nasi-change po natin yung ating ilaw. At ang iyong enclosed shower area na very spacious. Ang ganda din ng height niya kasi hindi, ano ba ito tawag doon? Hindi mababasa doon sa kabilang side. You have your heater, stainless steel shower set, and your niche. At floor to ceiling ang ating tiles, glossy tiles, pero yung sa ating flooring, of course, textured siya. Same design pero texture, so hindi siya madulas. This is your first bedroom sa yung second floor. At paglabas natin, paglabas mo doon, next noon ay yung, oh my gosh, dyan kayo. Tignan mo naman yung space dito. Kita mo ba kung gano'ng kaluwang from your TV area or your TV console? Okay, same design, fluted panels, and then parang half-moon design yung mga fluted panels natin. Doon kasi yung mga typical ng fluted panels yung half-moon yung design niya. And then you have your accent wall. May drawers ka dyan. At nakikita mo ba dito? Pwede ka pa maglagay ng sofa dito. Yung Cleopatra. Diba? Ang ganda. Wide window. And same design yung bed frame natin. Symmetrical yung ating hanging shelves or hanging drawers. At same, built-in cabinet. Ang luwang dito, no? Grabe. Doon sa side na yun ng yung TV console, you can add a table for your vanity area or pwede rin namang study area. Same design yung ating built-in cabinet. This is so nice. You can put a full body mirror Ganda. And nandito ang iyong, so ito ang suite toilet and bath. Same design, vanity mirror, your vessel type sink, enclosed shower area, pati color nga pareho. Stainless steel shower set, your heater, at high ceiling siya, guys. I just want to mention, yan. High ceiling siya. Floor to ceiling din ang ating mga tiles. This is your second bedroom sa iyong second floor. At paglabas mo, you have another bedroom. So, 4 po yung bedrooms natin sa ating second floor. And that includes yung ating master bedroom. So, this is another bedroom. Hindi pa to masters ha, pero sobrang luwang na niya. Same. Ito, pareho niya ng design yung nasa ground floor. Doon sa headboard niya. Velvet din yung, though yung sa mga dalawa din, velvet din sila, but vertical yung design nila. Ito kasi horizontal. Half moon design fluted panels. Hanging, ayan, cute ng hanging, natin, side lamp. Cute. Parang naisip ko yung lato-lato. Nakita ko. Ano-ano namang naiisip. Meron tayong window here. Wide window. Maisa pa yun sa check na lahat ng bedrooms natin spacious. And then even yung mga windows natin, talagang malalaki sila. So like for example, di ba, worst comes to worst, kailangan mo magbukas ng window, walang aircon, pwede mo siyang buksan. Ventilation, tapos even natural light, no? Very pretty. At very functional yung mga ganyan. Ang ganda ng feature, I mean. Okay? This side, di ba? Ang luwang pa dito. Dito yung bathroom, but again, I'll show you your built-in cabinet. Same design yung sa dalawa or the rest. 3 na pala yung nakita natin kasi pang-4 na to. Grabe, high ceiling. High ceiling siya. And then, yung floor-to-ceiling tiles natin, nag-iba lang tayo ng color. Ang ganda ng color nito. At ang spacious pa ng ating shower area. See? Square yung shape niya, spacious, and then yung vessel, stainless steel shower set, and your heater. So this is your third bedroom. So all in all, we have 5 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath, and that includes your master bedroom na pupuntahan na natin ngayon. This is your stay there. Diba? Ang luwang talaga. Sobrang luwang talaga ng rooms natin. Hala! Uy! Okay, so this is your master bedroom. Nakita nyo yung space or nakita nyo yung luwang nung mga rooms natin. Akala mo, master bedroom na. But this one, mas maluwang siya. I'll start here para mas makita nyo kung gaano kaluwang. This is a king-size bed. At, ayan, ang ganda naman ng natin, headboard natin. So nice. Tapos, hindi hanging yung ating mga drawers, so side tables. Side drawer siya. If you want na alisin, maglagay ka ng couch, pwede rin. This is your TV console. Ang luwang, di ba, sara natin to para mas makita nyo. May mga shelves ka dyan. Drawers, fluted panel for accent, just to tell you na ito ang yung TV console, no? Iba yung color niya. And the contrast of colors really works kasi nagpa-pop talaga yung mga portion, like TV console, and then your bedside, di ba? Ang ganda ng colors, nagpa-pop ng colors yung mga curtains natin. So your master bedroom has a balcony. Ito yung balcony natin. Oh, okay. Ayan. Yung spacious naman. This is your balcony. Time check tayo, guys. Ang oras ngayon ay, I think it's already past 6 o'clock. Kaya makita, ang ganda ng color ng sky. Umulan kasi pero ang ganda, di ba? Spacious pa dito. L-type siya actually. Mayroon kang intimate, parang dito, portion. Place. No? L-type. Yeah. And, ayan, pasok na tayo. Kasi ito yung nag-differentiate sa kanya sa mga iba nating mga rooms. The space kasi, pag nakita mo na dyan, same. Aside from the balcony, ito po. This is your walk-in closet. O, di ba? Ang luwang, oh. Ito yung parang pinaka, nag-emphasize na ito na po ang ating master bedroom. Pero yung size kasi talagang ang lalaki ng mga rooms natin. So many. Yan, ang dami mong lalagay dyan. At maluwang siya. So hindi ka mahihirapang magbihes. At ito na nga, ito ang ating master bathroom. Ito nga yung master bathroom. Ayan, mag-change tayo ng color ng ating ilaw. Diba? Tapos meron pang time yan. Pa-slope na hindi naman siya undermount eh. Pero pa-slope type yung sink natin. And as you can see, dahil kita naman na siguro, no, na meron tayong a jetted bathtub. Sasabi ko sana jacuzzi, but sa pagkakaalam ko, jacuzzi is actually a brand. But that is a jetted bathtub with massage nozzles. Yun, for hydrotherapy. So this is included in yung enclosed shower area. Kahit na isara mo siya, maluwang. Hindi siya nakaka-suffocate. At pag-close mo ng door, dito na yung iyong toilet. Yan. This is very spacious ang iyong master bathroom. So check din tayo dun sa bathtub with di ba? Hydrotherapy. Perfect. Labas na tayo at si Sir nahirapan. Labas na tayo para sa ating recap. Let's go. And for our recap, balik tayo sa kitchen. My favorite spot dito sa ating property. This is a 2-story modern design property located in a sought-after subdivision in Angeles City. This is a flood-free community and ang ating subdivision is just a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport and Clark Freeport Zone. Also, a 1 hour or an hour drive to Subic. Also, quick access din to sa mga major business establishments, schools, universities, malls, and mga kung nakikita niyo yung mga nagki-click na mga TikTok restaurant, nagki-click na mga restaurants sa TikTok, sobrang lapit lang niya. Sobrang lapit lang niya sa mga restaurants na yan. What else? Yung location natin, this is flood-free. The subdivision is actually sa mismong city road. So, hindi ka napapasok sa mga other mga barangay. But sa mismong city road na siya. So, makikita mo na agad yung ating subdivision. What else? What I love about the property, unang-una yung design, yung spacious design niya, very modern. And then yung kanyang mga rooms, spacious rooms, and all rooms, meron silang mga ensuite toilet and bath. And yung location ng ating pool area, nung pumasok ako, hindi ko alam na may pool area kasi hindi mo maiisip na may pool area sa likod dahil nga, pag nakita mo na siya, ang ganda-ganda na ng property. Parang may surprise pa pala sa likod at malaki yung pool area natin. Also, yung ating maid's room na nasa labas for privacy po ng ating mga kasambahay. So, meron po silang own quarter doon. Ano pa? Ang iyong automated gate and your spacious parking area. What else? Your jetted bathtub. No? I like it kasi, it's for relaxation. Diba? At yung size niya kasi, hindi siya pinilit dun sa ating master bathroom. So, I really love that feature. At kung lahat ng boxes sa inyong list ay na-check dito sa property natin, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami sa inyong mga inquiries. And kung meron po kayong Instagram, follow us on Instagram. Pwede rin po kayong mag-book ng shippings doon. You can follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. Kung wala naman po kayong social media account, meron po tayong mga phone numbers dyan sa ating description. You can see our Viber, WhatsApp. You also have our mobile numbers and our email address. Follow us on TikTok again, BP Pampanga. May magpo-post po kami ng mga reels before pa ma-launch ang ating full video. At doon pa lang, pwede na po kayong mag-book ng inyong shippings. You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalo BP Pampanga, and Instagram account, Enalalo. Pareho po yung, parehong name lang. Parang sabi ko BP Pampanga. So, same name, Enalalo, TikTok, and Instagram, and Nalalo. Sa ating mga subscribers, thank you so much for watching our videos, for always, commenting your nice words. Maraming salamat po. At ikaw, ano ba ang paborito mo dito sa ating property? Comment mo lang sa baba. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blooming Properties, Pampanga, where your house speaks.